In this video, I'm going to tell you where to find the best affiliate products to promote on your blog. Now, the first place that you want to look at is ClickBank. And ClickBank sell digital products, products that can be downloaded as soon as the customer purchases them. And they're great because, first of all, they are easily available. And second of all, you can sign up right away and start promoting the product right away. Lots of clickback vendors provide you with a considerable amount of tools to help you promote their product. You can get things like website copy and banners and Twitter tweets and all sorts of good stuff that are provided by clickbank vendors. To find products to sell in ClickBank, come to clickbank.com. And you'll need to create an account, so you'll click here on this link to create an account and then follow the on-screen instructions. Then click here on Marketplace, and you can either browse the categories here, or you can do a search here in this box here for Find Products. The amount of commission that you're going to get is going to vary depending on the vendor. They set their own commission, but some can be quite generous. Some can pay 75, sometimes even 100%. Okay, the next site I want to talk about is Amazon.com. Now, there are various versions of Amazon in different countries around the world. There's a UK version of Amazon, and there's a Canadian version and a French version, an Australian version, and quite a lot of others. But for the best results, it's best to go to the main US-based site, which is Amazon.com, because basically they're the default site that people get directed to if they haven't got a local Amazon.com. So in addition to the US, you also serve a lot of the world from Amazon.com. Amazon.com sells both physical products. They started out selling books, but they also sell other stuff as well now. And they also sell digital products, things like video downloads and stuff for their Kindle e-reader. The amount of commission that you're going to get on Amazon is not as high as you're going to get somewhere like ClickBank. But on the other hand, some of the prices can be quite higher. So therefore, it works out as broad as it's long. Also with Amazon, the more you sell, the higher percentage commission that you get. So it's well worth getting a lot of stuff from Amazon on your website, because it only takes a few sales to get you up into the next band, and you can start making a higher commission on all of your sales. Amazon have various different sites around the world. The one that I'm showing here is the US site, Amazon.com, but there are others, like for example, it's detected my IP address as being from the UK, and it's prompted me to visit amazon.co.uk. To sign up as an affiliate with Amazon, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and then click on this link here that says Become an Affiliate. The next site is JVZoo, and JVZoo is a bit like ClickBank insofar as it's mainly digital downloads. Unlike ClickBank, though, JVZoo will pay you via PayPal. With ClickBank, you have to either get a wire transfer at the end of the month, or they'll send you a check in the mail. With JVZoo, though, they will pay you into your PayPal account. You can, in some circumstances, actually get an instant commission. So as soon as the sale is made, you'll get the commission right away, which is, a pretty good advantage. To sign up with JVZoo, come here to jvzoo.com and click on the button here that says Become an Affiliate, and then follow the on-screen instructions. After you've been approved, you can then go to the marketplace. Let's just click here. And you can see all the different categories. And just like with ClickBank, you can browse the categories to find a product to promote, or you can do a search in this box here. Again, like with ClickBank, the amount of commission varies, but some vendors are very generous and do pay 75 or even 100%. So it's well worth signing up with JVZoo. And finally, there's CJ Affiliate. Now, this site used to be called Commission Junction. And CJ Affiliate functions in a slightly different way from the other sites that we've talked about in this video, insofar as they act as an umbrella for lots of different websites. Lots of different companies will actually run their affiliate programs through CJ Affiliate. So you'll find that lots of different sites that sell both physical products and digital products are available on CJ Affiliate. But CJ Affiliate acts as a sort of an umbrella for all these different types of websites and all these different types of companies. To sign up with CJ Affiliate, come here to cj.com, and then you want to scroll down to the publisher side here, and you want to click on this button here that says Free Publisher Sign Up. Now, as I was explaining, CJ works slightly differently from some of the other affiliate programs that we've covered in this video. So you may still have to wait to be approved by some of the companies that they represent if you decide you want to sell some of their products. So it is a two-stage process, really. But it's still worth signing up with CJ because you can get a decent rate of return on some of the products sold by companies that they represent. Of course, having good products to sell is nothing if you can't actually write compelling copy that gets people in the mood to actually buy these products in the first place. And I'm going to show you a really sneaky way to do that in the next video.